What's up guys, my name's Paul and this is BrookesWood Builds. On this channel you're going to be seeing me making lots of random things, furniture, boxes, who names it, even a machete or two, you never know. You'll also see things like this. Oh, and things like this. And sometimes things like this. And more than occasionally, some of these. Damn, that's ruined that. That's how I did it. It was, it should have been over hip. So if you haven't already, make sure you give that subscribe button a tap, and while you're there you might as well hit that bell icon as well. And if you haven't already, have a look at my Instagram and my Facebook. There's lots of sneak peeks and plenty more bloopers on there. All you got to do is follow me. Get involved, like and comment on each video. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.